Hi, I'm Heather Bauman. I'm with the Well Outreach, and one of the other roles that I have in this community is I work with Arenac Opportunities as their interim director. And we really were striving to do something different for our community, not only for vocational rehabilitation, but also for our transitioning students from school into the workforce. And today we are launching with our training our PAES Lab, which is practical assessment exploration
System.
systems. And I've got a few people that can tell us why this is so important for our community.
I'm Janelle Kent from Bay-Arenac ISD, a transition coach. Um, it is very important to the community as we are collaborating as partners, Standish Sterling School District, um, AOI, Arenac Opportunities, and Bay-Arenac ISD to bring in clients, students to have job exploration. They can find their strengths, their weaknesses, what they enjoy doing throughout 5 components, which consist of 264 jobs within this lab, as you can see. It will give us great insight before putting them out in the community as to what they like, what they're good at, what they don't like. And so we can build their future and they're more successful out in the workforce.
Hello, my name is Tyler Rainey, and I'm with the Special Education Department at Standish Sterling Junior Senior High School. Over the past few years, I've had the opportunity to visit a PAES lab roughly a handful of times, and it's taken us a little bit of time to get one in the area. So for us to have this now is super exciting. To have a curriculum that is hands-on for students that we specifically work with that have special education services. And the best part is that it's data-driven that allows us to provide resources and help students plan for the future.
Darren Krajewski, Superintendent, Standish Sterling Schools. This is a great opportunity, as you heard from Mr. Rainey here, but it gives our students another opportunity to explore different jobs they may be interested in, as Janelle said, may not. And it's just a hands-on opportunity for our students to get an idea of maybe a area that they want to get a job in once they're done with school. And without the PAYS Lab, they wouldn't have this opportunity. So I'm very thankful to Arenac Opportunities, Arenac ISD going in partnership. So we have our own lab in our community that is going to be utilized by a variety of students and adults. So really appreciate it. Thank you.